So, so yesterday we have covered the CIDR, VPC, then subnets.
Mm-hmm.
Today we are going to see about route tables and network interface.
Okay. Guys, can you see my screen, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Cool. So guys, previously what we're doing VPC, right? Virtual Private Cloud. Correct? Virtual Private Cloud. Why do we use this thing? Who will explain? Tell me, guys.
To provide internet.
No. We have internet gateway for that part. Virtual Private Cloud is your personal network in AWS. Personal network in AWS. For example, let's suppose if you have a company here, ABC company. Inside ABC company, you will be having a network, correct? Everyone? This is on-premise data center. And if I talk about an on-premise data center, I will be having a network now. In this network, I will be having uh, multiple devices, multiple electronic devices to support the networking capabilities. Correct or not? Right?
Yes,
This is a
sir.
network.
Yes.
You can call this network 1. Similarly, if I have AWS, inside AWS, I will be having a network. Okay. Now, with AWS, I will be having a VPC. You can call it as network. Cool. Under this VPC, we have small subnetworks. Correct? Subnet 1, subnet 2, subnet 3. And you can create these subnetworks in different availability zones. Cool, everyone? You can place this in AZ1, you can place this in AZ2. ताकि क्या होगा? For example, let's suppose if you have AZ1, if you have subnet 1 in AZ1 and if you have subnet 2 in AZ2. So by chance, if something happens to AZ1 here, so subnet 1 goes down, correct or not? In that case, sub 2 will be alive. Not clear?
Yes, sir.
Everyone? Guys, clear or not? Everyone, tell me.
So not that much.
Okay. We have AWS cloud, correct? Now
Yes.
to create some resources, for example, I want to create EC2 machine. I want to create RDS. I want to create some resources there, correct? In that case, guys, I will be having a network, है ना, inside the AWS cloud. On the other hand, if I have on-premise, if I have on-prem here, this is on-prem. In on-prem, guys, what do we have? We have directly our network, correct or not?
Yes, sir.
And if I have network in AWS, I will call it as VPC. Clear or not? I'm calling
Yes.
as VPC. Any doubt?
No, sir. No, sir.
Everyone. After that, guys, what we will be doing, we will be having small subnetworks. Cool, everyone. Taki, we can place our subnetworks in data center 1, here data center 2. If data center 1 goes down, my subnet goes down, then I will still have my resources left with in other data center. Not clear? That is why subnet provides subnet 2, subnet 1. It helps you to create your resources in much broader way. Not clear? And these data centers are availability zone. Not clear?
Clear, sir.
Everyone?
सर सबनेट तो बैकअप की तरह बिहेव करता है क्या?
बैकअप इसमें कुछ है ही नहीं.
ओके.
Rishabh, can we create same subnet in different availability zones?
Okay. For example, guys, you're taking subnet at a different level. Let's suppose if I have 6th grade, cool everyone, in my school. In my school, I have 6th grade. 6th grade is my VPC. Clear everyone or not?
यस सर.
Perfect. For 6th grade, I have 3 sections. Section A, Section B, Section C. Correct or not?
Yes.
Clear? In
Yes.
section A, I can create my students here. So basically, I can bring students here. Student 1, student 2, student 3. Clear? Section A is in building 1. Section B is in building 1. Section C is in building 2. Correct or not?
Yeah.
By God's grace, some natural disaster came. Clear? And the B1 was destroyed. Although students were not like died in that situation by God's grace. But yeah, section 1, section A and section B weren't belonging to B1 and B2. Sorry, B1 and B1, correct? But still, I have section C, correct or not? Which is in B2. That means my business will keep on going. Correct or not? Because I already always have one section or one subset or subnet in another availability zone. Clear or not?
क्लियर सर.
Not clear, everyone? Although
Clear.
subnetworks are subnetwork, the meaning itself is saying sub network. That means it is a smaller version of a network. Network, VPC, subnetwork. That means smaller network. Not clear?
क्लियर सर.
Perfect. Now let's try to create a VPC. Cool, everyone? Instance, sorry, not VPC. We will be going to VPC. Now I will be creating a VPC. In this VPC, I will be having 10.0.0.0 slash 32. No, not 32. slash 23. How many IPs? 512. Correct or not? Everyone.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. 512. Now I will be having multiple subnets S1, S2, S3, S4. How many subnetworks? 4
Two.
subnetworks. And guys, subnet 1 and subnet 2 will be for my public machines. These will be for my public servers or resources. Not clear? That means whatever the resource we will be created, automatically IPv4 automatically public IP will be attached. Public IP address will be attached. For S3 and S4, for S3 and S4. Cool everyone? For S3 and for S4. These one will be my private servers or resources. Clear or not? Now guys, how will you divide 512 in 4 subnetworks?
128 each.
So can I just say here 128, 128, 128, 128. That means in this subnet 1, I will be having 10.0.0.0 slash 25. In S2, I will be having 10.0.0.128 slash 25. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
In subnetwork 3, I will be having 10.0.1.0 slash 25. Subnetwork 4, 10.0.1.25, 128 slash 25. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Let's create the resources. So I will be creating, acha, by default, we have one VPC, correct or not? Create VPC. Give a name, my class VPC. Which header block we want to give? 10.0.0.0 slash 23 and create VPC. Now subnetworks, create subnetwork here. Subnet 1 here. That will be S1 public. Availability zone, guys, you can prefer. Can you see everyone here? In which availability zone you want to have it? Data center 1, data center 2, data center 3. But yeah, no preference. With subnetwork 10.0.0.0 slash 25. Add new subnetwork here. This will be S2 public. $25. Add new subnetwork. S1 private. 10.0.0.1.0 slash 25. S2 private. One point 128 slash 25. Any doubt, guys?
No, sir.
Create subnetworks. So I have created, guys, these subnetworks. Now tell me, guys, which one will be my public and in which one I will be making sure that, okay, these subnetworks will be getting the IP address. So I will say S2 public, auto assign public IP address, S1, clear or not? Perfect. Now guys, I will be going here, EC2, launch instance, my web server, key pair login without key pair, VPC, my class VPC here, subnetwork, S1, S2, which one guys? I will say S1 public. Cool everyone, launch an instance. Also guys, let's suppose if I want to monitor my network traffic, if I have a VPC, under these we have S1, S2, S3, S4, and in which I have EC2. So the traffic will be coming from here to here like this way. Cool everyone? Perfect.
Yes, sir.
So,
Now Now in this one, I want to monitor the VPC traffic logs, or you can say traffic flow. Then guys, we also have logs for my VPC that either I can store it in my CloudWatch. Guys, how many people remember CloudWatch? Did we cover CloudWatch?
Yes, yes,
Right, guys? In VPC CloudWatch, or you can store it in S3 bucket. So if I just go here to my VPC, so can you see guys here, my class VPC actions? Can you see create flow log, everyone?
Yeah. Yes.
You can check guys, traffic flow. Now, what kind of traffic you want to capture? Accept, reject, or all? I will say all.
All.
Maximum aggregation interval, the time during which flow of packets will be captured, 1 minute or 10 minutes. So depending on you. Do you want to send to CloudWatch logs? Do you want to send to Amazon S3 bucket? I will say S3 bucket. You can just provide S3 bucket here. Clear everyone or not?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Any doubt? In subnet level as well, can you see at subnet level, we can also create flow log. Perfect. At subnet level. Clear or not?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Now, I have my machine here. I also have public IP address. I also have private IP address. Clear everyone or not? So, for example, treat it as my apartment society. This is society ABC, or you can call it VPC ABC. Any doubt?
No.
In this society, we have multiple buildings. We have multiple towers. Correct or not? Tower
Yes.
1, Tower 2, Tower 3, Tower 4, Tower 5, Tower 6. Not clear?
Clear, sir. Clear, sir.
Now, these towers are, what are these towers?
Subnet.
Correct. These are subnets. And the apartments inside each tower, what are these things?
Yes.
Correct. Apartments are resources like EC2 or RDS or whatever it is. Any doubt?
No.
Now,
No.
if anyone wants to deliver or come or do anything in your society, bring anyone in your society, what they have to go for?
What?
What, guys?
Guard will stop.
Yep. Security guard, correct or not? Everyone.
Yes.
Security, correct? We will be
Yes.
having security prem here, correct or not? And then this person will be able to come, and in each tower, we will also be having one security personnel, correct or not?
Yes.
Yes.
Any doubt?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
In each tower, we'll be having security personnel. Any doubt, guys?
No.
Mm.
Pakka? Clear?
Yes.
Now, if I talk about this security personnel, this security personnel is your internet gateway. What does that mean? Now, guys, my EC2 machines have been created in this VPC. My EC2 machines have been created in this VPC. EC2 1, EC2 2, EC2 3, EC2 4. Clear everyone or not? Not subnetworks. EC2 1, EC2 2, EC2 3. Clear everyone or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, if anyone wants to connect, right now, guys, my EC2 machines don't have internet. They don't have internet. Clear everyone or not? They don't have any internet. But, but, my EC2 machines can communicate with each other.
Mm.
Now, clear everyone or not? Why they can communicate with each other? Tell me, guys. Why they can connect with each other? Why? Because they're in same network, na?
Yes, yes.
They are in same network, correct or not? So that's why, guys, the
Yes.
communication will be there in all of the machines. But no one will be able to come. Why? Because they don't have internet. Let me just show you. If I try to connect, what's happening? Am I being able to connect? No. Why? Because, guys, they don't have any internet. I'm a customer who is trying to use internet to connect to my VPC, then subnetwork, then EC2. But guys, this EC2 does not have any internet, na? Not clear. अरे जब घर में इंटरनेट नहीं होता आप तो यूट्यूब चला सकते हो आप? कैन यू यूज यूट्यूब?
No,
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 sir.
तो यहीं पे तो वही हो रहा है। वी आर
no,
नॉट बीइंग एबल टू कनेक्ट टू आवर EC2 मशीन क्योंकि उनके पास इंटरनेट नहीं है ना।
yes,
फॉर
no,
एग्जाम्पल एक इंसान है एंड दिस सेकंड पर्सन हियर, द फर्स्ट पर्सन यूजेस व्हाट्सएप कॉल फॉर द सेकंड पर्सन, बट सेकंड पर्सन ऑफलाइन है, क्या उसके पास वो कॉल रिंग भी होगी?
no.
व्हाई?
No, sir.
Um,
क्योंकि उसके
because
पास
of internet connection.
Yes, because WhatsApp call requires internet connection and this person is offline. तो यहाँ तो रिंग करेगा that hey we are trying to connect, but actually यहाँ कुछ नहीं होगा because we don't have any internet. Clear everyone or not? Similarly, I am trying to connect to my server. तो मेरे पास इंटरनेट है बट उसके पास इंटरनेट नहीं है, then I will not be able to connect to that machine. नहीं हुआ क्लियर?
हो गया सर।
एवरीवन, अब अगर मुझे इंटरनेट चाहिए, in that case I will be applying internet gateway. Clear everyone or not? इंटरनेट गेटवे लगाऊंगा अपने VPC में ताकि बाहर आ जाए। दैट मीन्स वी विल बी गेटिंग इंटरनेट फॉर माई VPC। एनी डाउट?
No, sir.
ठीक है। एंड टू प्रोवाइड इंटरनेट, नाउ गाइस हाउ मेनी सबनेट आई हैव?
वो
Oh,
Now guys, S1 public, S2 public, S1 private, S2 private. Now our machine is in S1, correct or not? Now
yes,
guys,
yes.
specifically, where should I route my internet, to which subnetwork? Where should I route the internet?
S1.
S1,
Yes, one public.
not S2. S2 में नहीं देना। Guys, we will give it to S1, S2 both. Why? Because दोनों public है ना।
Yes.
That means anyone can connect to that machine. So that is the reason, guys, I will be creating a route table. What is route table? Route table is responsible to send traffic to my subnetwork. Clear everyone or not? So I will be creating a route table which will be sending data from internet gateway to my these subnetworks. Not clear?
Yes,
And वो
sir.
route table से वो सिर्फ यहीं लगेगा. Any doubt? Will I be applying route table here as well? No, because these are my private machines. Any doubt? समझ में आया guys? नहीं आया?
yes, sir.
Now who will explain what is route table, what is internet gateway, why do we use it?
Route table is for the um directing the path towards the particular network, which is trafficless that at that moment, and internet gateway to bring our machine in the other world, so that other world can contact our machine.
Okay. Anyone else?
So I can try.
Yeah, go
So,
ahead.
and Internet Gateway is an AWS tool where EC2 instances they can connect to internet and they can get traffic. Also, the route table is for tools to direct traffic through a gateway to another subnetwork like VPC.
Not VPC. Basically, guys, VPC is not there. Okay, VPC is not there. VPC चला गया. Society है VPC. Clear everyone or not? Now, route tables are responsible to route the traffic. Clear everyone or not? Now, I want to route the traffic from internet gateway to subnetwork. So first, I will be saying, hey, my customer will be connecting to from internet to gateway. Correct or not? Everyone. This is route table. Correct? And then guys, from internet gateway to my subnetwork. Correct or not? नहीं हुआ clear? अरे that means internet gateway पे जाएगा ना. For example, first let me just apply. Cool. What I will be doing here, I will be going to my VPC and I will be creating internet gateway here. And guys, you can connect one internet gateway to one VPC only. I will be saying my internet gateway and I will be attached to the VPC. Which VPC, guys? My class VPC. Clear, guys? Done. VPC created. Sorry, IGW attached. Next, I want to route the traffic. So I will be creating a route table here. Route table. Cool, everyone. Let's create a route table here. I will say public to EC2 machines. And guys, which VPC? My class VPC. Any doubt? My route table is created. Now this route table will be connected to which subnetworks?
Public, oh, subnet 1, subnet.
S1,
S2
S2.
public, S1 public. Clear, everyone? Now what are the routes? What are the routes here? Edit routes. And guys, I want internet. Can you see everyone here? 0.0.0.0/0. That means दुनिया के कोई भी IP address, दुनिया का कोई भी IP address, any public IP address from anywhere will be able to connect to internet gateway. Clear everyone or not? And save changes. अब यहां से ट्रैफिक आ रहा है, where it is going to my sub network. Clear or not? Everyone. If you
Yes,
will just try to connect now. Any doubt? And you can check internet as well. Clear everyone or not?
Yes, sir.
Now let's suppose guys मैंने यहाँ से routable delete कर दिया. I just deleted the route. Remove. Let's connect. मैं अब करता हूं यहाँ पे. See, I can't even write here. If I refresh, establishing connection will not be able to establish there. क्या करेंगे guys? First troubleshooting will be go here, check networking या फिर security group में port number 22 is allowed. Correct or not everyone? चलो अभी बढ़िया है.
Yes.
Now second, go to VPC, go to route table, then check the routes. The routes are active. Subnet is connected. Okay, subnet is connected. Route is not there. So let's add the route here. Save changes. Now I'll click on connect. Clear everyone or not? Everyone clear or not?
Yes.
Yes, clear.
Perfect. Let's move ahead. Now guys, for example, I have a VPC. Under this VPC, I have S1 public, S2 public, S1 private, S2 private. Any doubt? Under this public, I have EC2 machine. Under this private, I have EC2 machine. Now, if I just say I have connected internet gateway and I have attached a route table here. Clear everyone?
Yes.
Route table. So that the traffic can come to my sub networks and can go inside my EC2 machine. Clear everyone or not? Perfect. Now, this EC2 machine is in private mode, correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Now, can anyone connect to this machine?
No. No, sir.
No, right? Let's suppose this is my important server. This is my quite important server. What will we do? In that case, guys, I will be creating a Bastion server. You can call it as Bastion. You can call it as Jump server. I will be placing my Bastion here. In public. Clear everyone or not?
Yes,
Perfect. And in this one, anyone can connect, right?
Yes, sir.
S2 public, Bastion. And they can communicate as well because they are in same network. This will be getting 10.0.0.32. This will be getting 10.0.0.128. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
They're in the same network now. Now, in this EC2, in this security group, I will say, hey, please allow this IP. Clear everyone or not? And through Bastion, I will be able to get internet here. Clear everyone or not? So not internet, I will be able to go inside this EC2 machine. Clear everyone or not? Not clear?
Repeat, sir.
From where?
From Bastion IP.
This part is clear, everyone? That I can connect to my bastion. Everyone?
Yes.
This part is clear, guys? I can connect to my bastion. Everyone?
Yes, sir.
And after that, I can do SSH into my private machine. Why? Because in security group, I will say, please allow this IP address because this is your neighbor. Correct or not? Not clear?
Clear, sir.
Everyone?
Yes, clear.
Yes, sir.
Pakka?
Yes.
Let's create this thing. So right now, guys, I have my EC2 machine. Let me just delete it. Guys, Elastic IP is already clear now, everyone. Elastic IP, did you remember or not? No? Yeah.
Providing static IP, right?
Thank you so much, Samira. What about you guys? समझ में भी आता है, सब कर लेते हो, याद नहीं रहता। वाह भाई वाह, चलो कोई नहीं, मेरा क्या फायदा। ना, आई विल बी हैविंग इलास्टिक आईपी ऑलरेडी कवर्ड, मैं नहीं पढ़ाऊंगा इसको वापस से। नाउ दिस पार्ट हियर, EC2 machine, let's create a launch machine here. Web server, or I will just say here Bastion server. Amazon Linux, I will be creating a key pair. I will say Bastion key. Clear everyone? Create key pair and save it. It is downloaded on my machine. Clear everyone or not? Bastion key. Can you see? Now, after this, I will be selecting my which network? Class VPC. Which subnetwork? Bastion will be there in which subnetwork? Private or public?
Public.
So you can choose anywhere. And this is traffic from where? Through only my IP. Through only my IP. I'll launch the machine. Clear everyone? Now, with Bastion server, can I connect from here? No. It will allow the connectivity only from my machine. Clear everyone? Connectivity from my machine. So I will be going into PowerShell. What is the key, guys? What is the key?
SSH.
Array, what is the name of the key?
Bastion key.
Bastion key. So I will be saying here Bastion key. Now, SSH -I Bastion key EC2 user IP address. Now guys, can I connect to my machine?
Yes.
Am I inside the machine, everyone? And you
Yes.
can just say here, I can use it. And I also have internet. Any doubt? Clear everyone or not? Next thing, our private machine, our private server, private machine. In our private machine, I will be selecting the same key pair here, guys. Bastion key. Which VPC? My class. Subnetwork. Which one? My
Private.
private. Yes, S2 private. And guys, please provide SSH connectivity from where? Anywhere? No, bhai. Custom. And please, if I want to allow the connectivity, please allow from only this specific IP address range. Correct or not? 23. Any doubt? That means what will happen, guys? If I have any EC2 machine which is having this private IP, correct or not, everyone? यही तो है. This is the range ना, everyone? Not clear? Not clear?
Is clear.
आज सिर्फ क्लास में समीरा रहेगी.
Rishabh, do we need to leave the class?
No, you don't need to. Let's come over here again. See here. First, I have VPC here, correct? Inside this VPC, I have created two subnetworks. S1, S2. Correct or not?
Yes.
Clear? Inside this S1 or S2, we have our EC2 machines. EC2 1, EC2 2, EC2 3. And these subnetworks are public. Correct or not?
Yes, Rishabh.
After this, if I connect right now, no customer will be able to connect to EC2 machines. Why? Because they don't have internet. Right now, they don't have internet. Clear or not? Next
Yes.
thing here, if I have internet gateway, if I have internet gateway, clear everyone or not? If I have internet gateway here, in this case, what will happen? Admin, please don't allow other students. Anwar, can you hear me?
Yes, Rishabh, I can hear you.
भाई डोंट अलाउ देम। मैं घंटा हो गया उनसे हाँ ना पूछ रहा हूँ, किसी का कोई रिस्पॉन्स ही नहीं है। मैं सिर्फ उनको पढ़ाऊंगा जो भाई रिस्पॉन्स दे रहे हैं। सिंपल। आज रहने दो उनको।
ओके भाई, नो वरीज, मैं बात
हाँ
करता हूँ फिर से।
ठीक है भाई। नाउ इफ आई हैव इंटरनेट गेटवे हियर, करेक्ट और नॉट? Clear
Yes.
everyone or not? Internet gateway. Perfect. In this scenario, what will happen? Internet gateway will allow traffic. आ जाओ, come, internet gateway. Now this internet gateway will be attaching to my VPC through route table. Correct or not? And inside the VPC with my sub networks. Clear or not? The route table will be responsible for connecting the internet gateway to my sub networks. Perfect. Now, in this EC2 machine, I have specified that only my IP will be allowed. Cool, everyone? My IP will be allowed for connectivity. So right now, if you just see here, my Bastion server, if I will try to connect, I cannot connect. Why? Because I can connect through only and only from my machine, my network. Correct or not? This is for security purpose now. If I will allow anyone to connect, कोई भी connect हो जाएगा वहां पे. Anyone can connect to my machine, EC2 machine, my Bastion. Right or not? Not clear?
Clear, Rishabh.
Clear? Second thing here, we also have S1 private, S2 private. Clear or not?
Yeah.
S1 private, S2 private. S1, S2 private. Correct or not? ठीक है?
Yes, Rishabh.
Now we have EC2 machine here as well. And I'm saying, please allow Bastion only or any machine from my VPC range. Correct or not? Because these EC2 machines will be having private IP out of this VPC, na? This C address block. So I am saying if any EC2 machine has this range, this IP address, then please allow. Except this IP address or except this IP range, don't allow anyone to connect. Any doubt? Not clear?
Clear, Rishabh.
Clear? So that is why I'm saying in my private server, I'm saying please allow those machines which have this CIDR range. Cool. Cool. 10.0.0.forward/23 here. कहाँ पे कर रहे हैं अपन ये? In my private machine. Clear or not? In my private machine, I'm saying, hey, please create in this VPC. Please create in this subnetwork S2 private and custom source कराएगा that who can connect through SSH this range. Cool. And launch my machine. This is my private machine. You can see it does not have any public IP. Can you see, guys? It does not have any public IP. Now, I have only private IP address. I have only private IP address. Correct or not?
Yes, Rishi.
I have only private IP address. Now, if I want to connect from my bastion, so let me just change the name of the server. Arey, what happened?
Rishi, private key, sorry, key is different. It is showing Gaurav.
Oh, sorry, my bad. SSH hyphen I bastion.key EC2 user @ Cool. Now, what will I will do here? I will be creating a key pair nano key.pem. This key that we have downloaded, can you see? Bastion key. I will just copy and paste it here. Perfect. And with this key pair, right now, let me just change the host name. Guys, you know about how to change the host name. Sudo nano/etc hosts host name. Cool. I will be saying here Bastion server. Perfect. Exit. Let me just restart it. Reboot.
Rishabh, I have a doubt. So the private key, using that Bastion private key only we logged in, right?
Yes. So actually what is
Uh,
happening here? Let me just explain.
okay.
I have public machine here, right?
Yeah,
And I have to use my SSH key to connect with public machine, correct?
yeah,
Correct. This is my customer. Now in this one, I have my private server, private machine. I also need this same SSH key here. I also need same SSH key to connect from public machine to private machine. Not clear?
yes. So for that, we need to paste the keys in the public machine, right?
Correct.
Okay, got it, Rish.
Anyone? Any doubt? Perfect. So that means I also need the key in my public machine as well, na? If I want to connect to my private machine. Cool. Now if I just connect, so now I'm inside where? Inside my Bastion server. Correct or not?
Yeah,
Correct? I'm inside my Bastion server. Now I want to go inside my private machine, correct or not? So I have this key SSH. First of all, change the permission. chmod 400 for key.pm. SSH -I key.pm EC2 user at the private IP address of my machine. Private machine. So guys, now where am I? I'm inside my private
private.
machine. And if I just go here, here I'm inside my Bastion server. Clear everyone or not? It is private machine. And here we are inside Bastion server. That means first I have to use SSH key as a customer, my IP, so that I can connect to my Bastion server. Bastion server is there in which subnet? Public.
Yeah, public.
Public subnet. Correct? Second, here, which is the other one?
Private machine.
Private machine. Private machine is there where? In my
Private subnet.
private subnet. Now I'm getting internet in my Bastion from where? VPC
Yeah,
route table. And then route table is connected to where? Internet gateway. Correct or not? Now this private machine, if I want to connect to this private machine, what will we do? We will be saying, hey, security group, right or not? Security group of my private machine. That please allow only those machines which belongs to this range, which belongs to this range. Clear or not?
yeah,
My Bastion server belongs to this range or not? Yes, it does. You can just see here. Bastion server has this private IP address. Private machine has this IP address. Clear or not?
yes.
But there is an issue here. In my Bastion server, I do have internet. I do have internet. Correct or not? But I don't have internet in my private machine. Do I have it?
No.
Correct. In that case, what we will do here, we will be attaching network gateway. Network gateway. Can you see everyone here? NAT. Network address translator. NAT gateway. What it will do, it will take internet from here, from my public subnet. Cool, everyone? From my public subnet. It will take internet from my public subnet and it will go here to NAT gateway, because NAT gateway also has elastic IP. It also has elastic IP address. Cool. And then it will transfer the internet to my private machine. Internet. Clear or not? So NAT gateway is attached to my private subnet, or you can say private machines, so that my private machines can get internet. Not clear?
It's clear, Rashid.
Clear? Let's do it. This is our last topic for today's class. So we have here NAT gateway. Can you see? Right now, do I have any NAT gateway here?
No.
No. Create NAT gateway. I will say public subnet internet. So please take internet from which subnetwork? You can take any public. Cool. Any public and allocate elastic IP address. Create the NAT gateway. I will be going to my route table here. Let's get a route table here. This will be, let's say, private subnet internet. That means I need internet from my private subnetwork. Which VPC? My class VPC. Which subnetworks? Tell me. Which subnetworks for my route table?
Private.
Private, correct. Private. Edit routes. Add route. And where should it go? Internet gateway, NAT gateway.
NAT gateway.
Which NAT gateway? Public subnet. And save changes. Now let's see. Let's wait 10 to 15 seconds. Can you see?
Yes.
Cool. Now, my private machine has internet, even though it does not have any kind of public IP. Correct or not? So just let me just show you the architecture. Bastion AWS architecture. Can you see here?
Okay, no NAT gateway right here.
No, this is not NAT gateway. This is just like simple bastion. How to connect to
Okay.
my private subnet. Let's suppose if you want internet in your private subnet, what you will do, you will just go here and write what is it? NAT gateway. Can you see here? Let me just give you one more good example. Can you see? NAT will be there in which subnetwork? Public subnetwork. And it will provide the internet to private subnetwork. Clear?
Yes, Rishi.
This was all about NAT gateway. Now let's suppose if you have multiple machines, right or not? Can you see here? I have multiple machines. Now, to access them directly from AWS, without key, without this part, without that part, right or not? We have Systems Manager, SSM, Systems Manager. Directly we can control our EC2 machines from here. AWS Systems Manager. Can you see here? Now, can you see here, guys? AWS Systems Manager. Now, for that part, what we will do here, let's suppose if I want to go for Session Manager here. Start a session here. Cool. So you can just see target machines. So right now, we don't have any machines here. Correct or not? Do we have any machines here? No, even though in our inventory, we don't have it. So what we will do here, guys, we will be providing a catch here. What is it in? For example, if you have, where's my pen? Yes, I have EC2 machine here. EC2 machine here. I will be providing a tag here. Let's say important, important, important. And I have multiple machines here. EC2, EC2. Now I want to say, let's create a resource group here. Let's create a group here. And through this group of machines, I can control my these EC2 machines. If you want to provide patches, if you want to provide updates directly, you want to upgrade your machines directly, you do it from your SSM. Not clear? So right now, what are we doing here? We are grouping the machines. We are grouping the machines. How can we group the machines? First, our EC2 machines should be tags. Can you see here? Tags. Bastion server. Tags, web server. Let's manage the tags. Let's add a new tag here. I will say class important. Save. Next, tags, class important. Right? Save it. Now, I will be going to resource group here. Can you see here? Resource groups. In this resource group, I will be creating a resource group here, tag based. So I will be saying tag class important. And you can see I got my 2 machines, right or not?
Yes.
Cool. Group name, I will say Bastion class. And create group here. We have our group here. Cool. I am having a group here now. This is my resource group. Now I will be going to session manager here. Perfect. So in fleet manager, where it is. So quickly and securely access your Linux and Windows machine. Correct or not? I can directly provide. So first you have to configure your instances to use session manager. Then you have to assign IAM policies, right or not? If you remember IAM policies to control your instance access and specify account options for session logs, and then you will be able to start your session. Let's suppose if I want to update something, I want to patch something, I want to run a command. In that case, what we will do here, we will run our command. For example, I want to run a command. Let's suppose I want to configure AWS package. This is the command. Action, install, uninstall, target. Which target? So I will say choose a resource group that we just created, Bastion class. And which resources will be there? EC2 machines. Cool or not? That means they will be running this command. What's the command here? It will configure AWS packages. It will install and uninstall the things directly. So we don't have to go inside our EC2 machines. Get it or not? Directly we can do it from our AWS Systems Manager. Any doubt, guys?
Okay. Like user data we will provide it when we create EC2 machines.
No, we will be providing tags here. We will be providing tags so that whenever I want to control my machines directly from one place, I can control my machines directly from one place. Patch manager here. If I want to patch something, security concerns, I want to automate maintenance, everything of my EC2, all EC2 machines. It is not about 1 or 2 or 3 machines, directly from System Manager. Although this is not your part of learning, this is for SysOps manager, SysOps administrator. But they could ask you like this, how can we control or how can we access EC2 machines from our AWS directly? So you can use AWS